Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Welcome in the pharmaceutical engineering video. And today in this video we'll discuss about the colloid mill, which is used for the liquid mixing. Liquid mixing, colloid mill. It works on the principle of the shearing. And the size reduction is affected due to the shearing. So this colloid mill, it is also used in the size reduction process also, for reducing the size also, and for mixing also this colloid mill is used. So construction, it consists of the two parts, that is a rotor and a stator. The milling surfaces are conical. These surfaces, they are conical in shape. You can see this is the colloid mill. So this is what we can say, दिस इज अ स्टार्टर एंड ऊपर का जो पोर्शन है ये रोटर है. दिस इज अ सिरेशन्स रहते हैं. जुन्या जमान्यामध्ये यांना जातं म्हटलं जात होतं. दॅट इज नथिंग बट द कोलॉइड मिल. सो इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ रोटर एंड स्टार्टर. द मिलिंग सरफेस are conical and the gap between the rotor and the starter, it ranges from 0.02 to 0.003 inches. And generally the rotation speed, it is 3000 to 20,000 rpm. You can imagine 3000 to 20,000 rpm. The material to be size reduced is pre-milled. Before putting the material, it is pre-milled and then it is put into the colloid mill. Then feeding the material through hopper into the mill. So this is what the construction. Working जो है, the material and the suspension, it is placed into the hopper of this mill. See, this is the hopper. यहाँ पे material को डाला जाता है. It comes to this portion. This rotor, it rotates with clockwise on this stator, and due to that rotation, continuous rotation, shear generates, and because of that the material is going to be reduced into the size or mixed, and through this is an outlet. यहाँ से ये बाहर आ जाएगा. Okay. So the material is thrown. Material जो है वो it is thrown outward due to the centrifugal action of the rotor. Rotor जो है वो continuously ऊपर से घूमेगा and centrifugal action की वजह से जो material है वो बाहर फेंका जाएगा. Particle size reduction is effected when the material passes between the milling surfaces, and the product obtained from the mill has very fine particle size. जो भी product इससे मिलेगा, you will get a very fine particle size. So application, it is used in the preparation of the pharmaceutical suspensions, emulsions with a particle size less than 1 micron. And generally this colloid mill, it is for the feed of 200 micrometer. And generally it is observed that size reduced to 1 micrometer at peripheral speed of 10 meter per second, and 0.001 micrometer तक की तुम्हें साइज मिलेगी अगर तुम इसकी जो ये है स्पीड जो है वो 40 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड रखते हो, तो यू विल गेट वेरी फाइन साइज अप टू 0.001 micrometer. You can use this colloid mill for the viscosity ranges of 1 to 30,000 centipoise. And the capacity is 2 liters per minute. 1 मिनट में 2 लीटर तक का कैपेसिटी तुम ले सकते हो. 2 liters per minute to 400 liters per minute तक की कैपेसिटी इसकी है. You can, what we can say, reduce the size, or you can mix the material from 2 liters to 400 liters by using the colloid mill. And large amount of the heat is generated in this colloid mill. This is the disadvantage actually. Large amount of the heat, it is generated in the colloid mill. So you have to, what we can say, attach a cooling system if the material is thermolabile. If you have to mix thermolabile material, then you have to attach a cooling system. Otherwise you cannot use this for the thermolabile system, because a heat, it is generated in this system, right? So this is what a colloid mill. So if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends. Thank you very much.